Welcome to the Faculty of Humanities of Sri Shivaji Science and Arts College, Chikli District, Buldhana. This is induction program for the academic year 2020-21. Today I am going to introduce you about the Faculty of Humanities of this college. Faculty of Humanities naturally is established with the establishment of the college. UG undergraduate faculty of humanities is established in 1969 and certain subjects of PG are introduced in 2010. In Faculty of Humanities, as you know, we study compulsory subjects and there are two languages we study as compulsory. One is English and the second one is Marathi. In optional subjects, we have economics in our college, political science, history, Marathi literature, English literature, home economics is reserved for girls only. The intake capacity of English, Marathi, history, political science is 240 students, and for the subject economics, home economics, English literature and Marathi literature, the intake capacity of the students is 120. The admission process we implement in the college is as per the university norms and the rules laid down by the university. There is, as compulsory English is the compulsory language we study in humanities. In the department, there are two faculty members working, Professor Dr. G.T. Ambore and Dr. S.I. Jukalkar. Then Vidya Popat Madam and Nita Ube Madam. These are the two CLP teachers. In Department of Marathi, we have three faculties. Dr. G.G. Malti, he is the head of the department. Dr. K.R. is the second faculty member, and Mr. ESB Unade is working as CSB teacher in the department. Then in the Department of Economics, Dr. S.M. Kalake, she is the head of the department. Dr. J.J. Zadhav, he is the head of the Department of Political Science. Dr. V.R. Padwal, he is the head of the Department of History. And Miss Yamji Dikar Madam, she is working in the Department of Home Economics. I am going to introduce you now the faculty members. From the Department of English, Dr. G.T. Ambore, he is working as the head of the department. His qualification is MA English, MPhil, PhD. He has 21 years of experience teaching at UG level. He is recognized PhD supervisor from Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati, to which our college is affiliated. Then the second faculty member is Dr. S.I. Jukalkar. He is assistant professor. His qualification is MA English, MPhil and PhD. He has also 21 years of teaching experience at UG level, and he is also a recognized PhD supervisor from SGB Amravati University. Then from Marathi department, Dr. G.G. Malte, he is the head of the department. He is MA Marathi, BEd and PhD. His experience of teaching at UG level is 26 years, and at PG level he has 10 years of teaching experience. He is also recognized PhD supervisor from SGB Amravati University Amravati. And the second faculty member working in the Department of Marathi is Dr. E.R. Moye. She is assistant professor. Her qualification is MA Marathi, PhD. She has 11 years of experience teaching at UG level and 10 years experience of teaching at PG level. She is also a PhD supervisor from Amravati University, Amravati. In the Department of Political Science, Dr. J.J. Zadhav, he is the head of the department. He is MA in Political Science, MPhil, PhD, and he has also completed Bachelor in Journalism. He has 25 years of teaching experience at UG level and 10 years of experience of teaching at PG level. He is also a recognized PhD supervisor from SGB Amravati University, Amravati. Dr. V.R. Padwal is the head of the Department of History. His qualification is MA History, B.Ed, SET, and PhD. He has 20 years of teaching experience at UG level and 10 years of teaching experience at PG level. PG level. Then his research contribution is he is PhD supervisor from the same university. Dr. Yesam Kalake, she is the head of the Department of Economics. She is MA Economics, PhD, and her teaching experience is 9 years at UG level and 2 years at PG level. She is a recognized PhD supervisor from the Amravati University, Amravati. We have introduced some PG subjects as well in the Faculty of Humanities, such as Yamin Marathi. The in charge is Dr. P.G. Malde, the head of the department, and Dr. K.R. Mbe, she is also, cooperating the head of the department. And we have Yamin History as well. Dr. V.R. Padwal is the head of the department, and we have Yamin Political Science as well. Dr. J.J. Dadu is the head of the department. For each subject, we have 80 seats. The intake capacity is 80 seats for each of the subject. The examination pattern of UG level is like this. Every subject is of 100 marks. 80 marks are allotted for theory examination, and for 80 marks we have 5 units in the syllabus, and for internal assessment 20 marks are allotted, and from theory student has to score at least 32 marks out of 80, and for internal assessment student has to score 8 marks at least out of 20 marks. There are certain rules and regulations of the college, and every student has to obey these rules. Uniform and identity card is compulsory to every student. Student shall obey all the instructions of the principal. The student will be answerable to the principal for their behavior in general, both inside and outside the college. Student found violating the rules of the college will be expelled from the college. Therefore, every student should be careful. Students should behave respectfully with staff members at college and politely with their fellow students. Any act of disobedience, improper, and discourageous exchange of words or indecent remarks, especially at girl students, is punishable offense. Therefore, every student should be very careful. Students should make careful use of college books, furniture in the classrooms, fans, laboratory equipment, and college property in general. The cost of damage done to it would be recoverable from students either individually or collectively. There are certain scholarships offered by the college for the students. These scholarships are from Government of India, Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship, National Open Merit Scholarship, Single Girl Child Indira Gandhi PG Scholarship, GOI Scholarship for OBC students, GOI Scholarship for backward class students for SC, ST, NTL, etc. Scholarship for orthopedically, physically challenged students. Scholarship for minority students is also available. There are certain other scholarships are also there. State government scholarship, state government open merit scholarship, Rajashri Shahu Maharaj merit scholarship, Eklavya scholarship, and then scholarships such like Dakshana Shishyavrati, Jasubai Foundation Foreign Scholarship, late Dhirubhai Ambani Reliance Merit Scholarship, Vidarbha Shikshan Mandal Amravati Scholarship, scholarship awarded by some of the uh, members of Shri Shivaji Education Society uh, in the memory of some of the members of Shri Shivaji Education Society, late Ambadas Kasar Scholarship, late Dharubai Mahore Patil Scholarship, late Kaya Foundation Trust Scholarship for girl students only. Scholarship instituted by Jilla Parishad Local Free Studentship Scholarship to the Children War of the Freedom Fighters. And merit students are also given financial assistance from the Cooperative Society of Teaching and Non-Teaching Staff of the college. There are certain committees which are very important for the development, overall development of the students. We have first cultural committee, which is very important committee. Those students who are interested in cultural activities, they can develop their talent here. Dr. V.R. Padwal is in charge of this committee. Then we have NSS, National Service Scheme, and Dr. V.R. Padwal once again is the program officer, and Dr. S.M. Kalakar Madam is the lady program officer working for this NSS. And those students who want to participate, they can contact them. We have sports department, excellent department we have. Those students who are interested in sports, they can contact Mr. S.J. Kokode sir, he is the physical director and in charge of the sports facility available in the college. And we have the sports department organize various sports in annual gathering, and also we organize some matches in zonal university level sports competition. So certain competitions we organize in the college as well, students can participate in. Then we have very good library facilities. All the departments use this well-equipped central library. There are many reference books, test books, books related to competitive exams. Various journals are also there. Newspapers we have e-books and e-journals also available. So those students who are interested to enhance their knowledge, they can use the library properly and develop themselves. We also arrange many co-curricular activities such as research projects, Avishkar research competition for students. We have Gandhian Thoughts Study Center. We have communication and soft skill development certificate course in our college. Different subject associations are also there. We provide guidance for competitive exams. Also, every year we publish college magazine. We arrange field visit to study tours also. So students can avail all this opportunity which is available for their development. We organize some extracurricular activities as well, such as debate competition, education competition, seminars, group discussion, Yuva Bhushan competition is also there. Student Youth Parliament is also there. Then we also organize programs related to value education also. So students have a wide range of availability for them to develop in the Faculty of Humanities. So once again, I welcome all of you to the Faculty of Humanities and study well, use all the facilities which are there available in the college campus. Thank, thank you. Lectures are there. Lectures are already started online. You can join online lectures and and you can contact telephonically as well to the concerned teachers. The students are also informed that they should, contact the office for scholarship, different kinds of scholarship which are I have just mentioned, as well as students should fill the examination form immediately within time because we have very less time. Contact the office up to 4th of the next month. You have to you have to submit the examination forms and inquire about scholarships also in detail. Thank you very much for listening.